Did you know humans created amazing vehicles to soar through the skies? From hot air balloons to giant airplanes, these flying machines come in all shapes and sizes. Today, let's explore these fascinating air vehicles and let's discover what makes each one special.
Harmony to the heavens.
Airplane. Airplane.
Airplanes are the most common air vehicles, carrying people and cargo all around the world. They can fly for many hours, crossing oceans and continents, making our world feel smaller, faster, and more connected than ever before.
Helicopter. Helicopter.
Helicopters are amazing because they can lift straight off the ground and land almost anywhere, even on rooftops or mountains. They're often used for daring rescues, news reporting, and delivering supplies to places airplanes cannot easily reach.
Glider. Glider.
Gliders are amazing planes with no engines. They ride rising air currents to soar smoothly through the sky. Pilots sit quietly in the cockpit, gliding like giant birds, feeling the wind and enjoying peaceful flights high above the ground.
Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloons float gently by heating air inside a giant colorful balloon. They lift passengers high above fields, rivers, and towns, offering magical sky views. Riding one feels like drifting in a rainbow bubble through the clouds.
Blimp. Blimp.
Hot air balloons float gently by heating air inside a giant colorful balloon. They lift passengers high above fields, rivers, and towns, offering magical sky views. Riding one feels like drifting in a rainbow bubble through the clouds.
Jet fighter. Jet fighter.
Jet fighters are super-fast planes that zoom even faster than sound. Built for speed and defense, they streak across the sky with roaring engines. Pilots use them to protect the skies, performing daring maneuvers like sky superheroes on wings.
Cargo plane. Cargo plane.
Cargo planes are flying giants with massive bodies and wide wings. They carry cars, animals, and even helicopters around the world. Inside, they can fit an entire house worth of goods, making them the sky's biggest delivery trucks.
Seaplane. Seaplane.
Seaplanes are amazing airplanes that can take off and land right on water. With floating pontoons instead of wheels, they zoom across lakes, rivers, and oceans. People use them to reach islands or remote places where no airports exist.
Drone. Drone.
Drones are small flying robots that buzz through the sky with spinning propellers. Many have cameras to take amazing photos and videos from above. People use them for racing, delivering packages, or exploring places too tricky for humans to reach.
Rocket. Rocket.
Rockets blast into space at incredible speeds, shooting flames and smoke as they lift off. They carry astronauts, satellites, and supplies beyond Earth. Unlike airplanes, rockets break free from gravity, reaching space to explore planets, moons, and the stars above.
Paraglider. Paraglider.
Paragliders use big fabric wings shaped like a curved parachute to drift gently through the air. Pilots sit in a hanging seat, often launching from mountains, gliding peacefully above valleys, rivers, and towns like colorful birds on the breeze.
Air ambulance. Air ambulance.
Air ambulances are special helicopters or planes that rush sick or injured people to hospitals. With flashing lights and medical crews inside, they fly quickly over traffic, carrying patients safely to doctors, saving precious time and even lives.
Propeller plane. Propeller plane.
Propeller planes are classic aircraft with spinning blades at the front or wings that pull them through the air. They come in many sizes, from small training planes to larger passenger turboprops, always recognized by their buzzing, whirring sound.
Firefighting aircraft. Firefighting aircraft.
Firefighting aircraft are powerful planes that fight wildfires from the sky. They scoop tons of water from lakes or carry fire retardant in giant tanks. Flying low over forests, they drop their loads, helping firefighters save trees, animals, and towns below.
Hang glider. Hang glider.
Hang gliders are lightweight, wing-shaped flying machines that let pilots hang below and steer by shifting their body weight. They glide silently on the wind, soaring over hills, rivers, and fields like giant birds, giving a peaceful sky adventure.
Space shuttle. Space shuttle.
Ready to start?
Finally, space shuttles blast off like rockets and glide back like planes. They carry astronauts, satellites, and supplies into space. NASA retired the Space Shuttle program in 2011, but these amazing vehicles help explore planets and bring people safely back. From balloons to rockets, air vehicles help us travel, explore, and dream. Each flying machine tells a story of imagination and discovery. Who knows? Maybe one day, you'll invent a brand new way for people to fly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.